Everyone wants a great career, but how do you build one from nothing? No connections, no fancy degree, no clear path. Just you, your skills, and your ambition. In this video, we'll break down how to build a successful career from scratch step by. Not the stuff you learn in textbooks, but the real-world strategies that actually work. Let's begin. Forget the old ideas. A career isn't just a 9-to-5 job anymore. It's not just a degree or a title. Today, a career is a journey, a mix of skills, reputation, and results. Your career is your brand, and you're the CEO of that brand. No matter where you start, what matters is how you grow. Every successful career begins with one question. What are you good at? Not just what you like, but what gives you energy. Ask yourself, what do people compliment you for? What do you enjoy learning? Even when no one is forcing you. What could you talk about for hours? This is called your zone of strength. If you can align your career with this zone, you'll grow faster, stay motivated longer, and become truly valuable. Here's the truth. Your degree isn't enough. The world is changing too fast. Technology, business, trends, skills. To build a career, you must become a lifelong learner. Take online courses, read books, follow industry leaders, watch tutorials, but most importantly, practice. Theory without action is useless. Start small, build, fail, learn, repeat. Anyone can write hardworking on a resume, but what have you actually done? If you want to stand out, build a portfolio, a GitHub for coders, a YouTube channel for creatives, a blog for writers, projects, demos, case studies. Don't wait to be hired, create your own work first. Show, don't just tell. This is how you prove your value in today's world. You've heard it before. It's not what you know, it's who you know. But here's the real formula. Who knows what you can do? Start building real connections. Reach out on LinkedIn. Attend workshops or webinars. Ask thoughtful questions. Help others without expecting anything back. People open doors. Relationships create opportunities. And one connection can change your entire life. But if nobody knows you exist, it doesn't matter. Start sharing your journey online. Share what you're learning. Post your small wins. Document your projects. Give insights and value. Over time, people will recognize your voice, your work, and your expertise. You'll build credibility, the silent magnet of opportunity. In the early stage, every small job, internship, or volunteer work matters. Don't wait for the perfect role. Take the opportunity in front of you and make it perfect. Be the person who shows up early, learns quickly, solves problems, adds value beyond expectations. People notice effort, and effort compounds into experience. Here's the truth nobody wants to say. You will fail. You'll make bad choices. You'll be rejected. You'll feel stuck sometimes. But guess what? That's part of the process. Every failure teaches you more than success ever could. The key? Don't give up. Adapt. Ask, what can I learn from this? How can I improve? What's the next best step? Growth isn't linear, but it's always. Let's look at a few examples. Sarah Blakely, founder of Spanx, started as a door-to-door fax machine salesperson. Today, she's a self-made billionaire. Jack Ma got rejected from 30 jobs including KFC. He built Alibaba into one of the biggest companies in the world. Jay Shetty was a monk with no money. Now he's a global speaker, author, and coach. None of them started with a silver spoon, but they built their careers one bold step at a time. So can you. You don't need to have it all figured out today. Just take the next step. Here's a simple mindset to remember. Learn daily, act boldly, reflect often, stay consistent, and when things get hard, and they will, remember, you're not starting from zero. You're starting from experience. Your career is not a one-time decision. It's a series of courageous moves. So make your move. Success doesn't belong to the most talented. It belongs to the most committed. To those who keep building, keep trying, keep showing up, day after day, year after year. Your dream career? It's not out there somewhere. It's inside you, waiting for action. So go build it.